Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor text editor paragraph spacing. If you've been working on your WordPress site and notice that your text paragraphs look too cramped or too spread out, this quick adjustment will help you achieve the perfect spacing for a more polished and professional look. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your control center where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools and settings needed to make changes to your pages. Next, navigate to Pages and click on All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages you've created on your website. Look for the specific page you want to edit, the one where you're experiencing spacing issues with your text. Once you've located it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor Page Builder interface, which gives you complete visual control over your page design. Now that you're in Elementor, you'll see a left-hand menu filled with various widgets and elements you can add to your page. For this task, you need to select the text editor widget from this menu. If you already have a text editor on your page that you want to adjust, simply click on that existing text block to select it. The text editor widget is one of the most commonly used elements in Elementor because it allows you to add and format text content easily. After selecting the text editor, look at the editing panel that appears. You'll see multiple tabs at the top, including Content and Style. Click on the Style tab. This is where all the visual customization options for your text are located, including fonts, colors, and spacing settings. Within the Style tab, scroll down until you find the paragraph spacing option. This is the setting that controls the vertical space between your paragraphs. You can adjust this spacing by using the slider that appears, which lets you increase or decrease the space dynamically. As you move the slider, you'll see the changes reflected in real time on your page preview. Alternatively, if you have a specific spacing measurement in mind, you can type the exact value directly into the field. This gives you precise control over your layout, and there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the paragraph spacing in your Elementor text editor, giving your content the breathing room it needs for better readability and visual appeal. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.